Most homeowners think install day is just delivery. It isn't, and that misunderstanding quietly decides how well everything works afterward. Once upon a time, in a town not very different from yours, a homeowner signed an HVAC quote thinking everything was taken care of. The advisor met them at their kitchen table. Equipment specifications, pricing, and timing all felt clearly explained. But install day preparation was not explicitly discussed. Everything felt settled and complete. The house splits into two parallel versions. Same house, same equipment, same crew. Only difference, install day readiness. This is construction, not delivery. Scenario A, the prepared home. Homeowners parked on the street, driveway fully clear, outdoor unit area ready. Scenario B, the unprepared home. Normal lived-in conditions that require careful navigation. Inside, clear walkways and protected floors versus the normal basement storage that installers must work around. In the prepared home, installation proceeds smoothly and efficiently. In the unprepared home, the same professional crew carefully adapts to the environment. Clear outdoor access allows for precise equipment placement, while obstacles require careful navigation and additional time. Connecting to existing ductwork requires precision that's easier with proper working space. System programming and calibration demand focused attention to detail. Late afternoon completion. The lead installer shows homeowners their new thermostat controls, while junior installers restore the home, removing all old equipment and materials. The home is left as good or better than they found it. The prepared home enjoys smooth operation and comfort. The unprepared home experiences minor ongoing issues, never quite perfect. Install day has no do-overs, and most of what determines how well everything works happens before the truck ever arrives. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned.